Hey everybody, Brett here from Ackland Media Frames. Just want to take a quick minute to show you our newest product, SEG Graphics, silicone edge graphics. They're ordered in kits, much like this. You get some sticks here and some pieces like this, and a little tool to pop them all together. The graphic looks like this at first, until you put it all together and you end up with this beautiful textured fabric. If you want to change out the graphic, you pull the little tab, it pulls out the silicone edge, take it out, put in the next one. Easily mounts to the wall, comes in different depths. That was the 1.5 inches. Let me just show you one more thing. That was the 1.5 inches. Some people call it the invisible frame because from the front you don't see the frame. But it comes in 1/2 inch, 1.5 inches, all the way up to 4 inch, which you can light up. This is our illuminated version, LED lighting at its finest. This is the hottest thing going. If you want to know pricing or details, give us a call. Thank you.